Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our new topic that is optional in Selenium Java. Okay, this optional also it is presented in Java 8 feature. Okay, they are introduced, and here is basically why optional is basically right. The optional is container. It is a container object, and that or may not contain contain a value. Okay, contain a value means if that particular optional, if it is having a value, if it is not a value, it will get the values. Okay, and it will help to avoiding like a null pointer exception by forcing you to handling for in case of you want to be absent. Okay, like sometimes if you want to validate null pointer exception, you can use for if object not equal to a null. Okay, in this situation you are going to handling, right? To avoiding this particular option can help you for those things. Okay, how you can able to avoid? You can use for optional, okay, of nullable. Okay, and here you can able to pass for object. In this object, if you want it is present, like if present, then you can use for that particular object and the function, and you can use for object dot something, whatever you want to do, that particular option you can do. This will avoid for null pointer exceptions. Okay, why this option in this particular situation? Sometimes, right, if you use for in your Selenium code, okay, there is a find elements. Okay, find elements. In this particular find elements, you are going to get a list of anchor tags. Okay, unexpectedly that a particular website don't have anchor tag. In that moment we can able to get empty and null. Okay, null cases, that this kind of situations we can able to avoiding. Okay, find element, if you use the find element, by default if that particular element is not presented, we can able to get immediately no such element exception. Okay, no such element exception will get. We can able to avoid this kind of things also. Okay, by handling for safer side. Okay, safe side we can able to use it. How you can able to implement these kind of things. Okay, now I'm going to use for another file. Okay, and here optional class. Okay, optional class I'll use it. Okay, and in this particular method I'll copy these particular lines. Okay, and here we can use for at the rate test, and we can save it, and public void optional method. Okay, and we can avoid this, and you can implement this particular place. Okay, I'll copying this particular one. Okay, now here first I'll do for one thing. Okay, like I want to click save side clicking. Okay, clicking for save click with the optional. Okay, if it is present, I need to click. I don't want to give any error. Okay, now with that, first I will click for without that. Okay, by dot name or something we can able to use it. Okay, this is without. Okay, without safest click, and I'm going to take this particular one, and here is the name. Okay, I'm going to give the wrong. Okay, and I'm going to click it. Okay, this is basically without save side. Okay, now I'm going to clicking here. See here we got some exception. Okay, And if you see no such element exception, we got it because that particular element it is not presented. We got it here, right? Now I don't want to do this one. Okay. If it is present, if it is not present also, I have to skip it. Okay. Safe side. Okay. For this, I'm going to use for optional. Okay. In this optional, I'm going to use for web element. Okay. In this web element, I'm going to use for login. Okay. For this login, what I can do, driver dot find elements. Find element or find elements. Anything you can able to see. Find elements also it is a okay. Okay. By dot name. By dot name. Okay. And this is the safest one. Okay. And I'm going to use for one only. Okay. I'll use for without safe. Okay. Sorry, with the safe only I'll use, but I'm not going to. Here dot stream API. Okay. And then I'm going to use for first find the first. Okay. Find the first. Once I got the find first, login dot present is present. If it is present, I'm going to use for web element click. Okay. If it is present, you need to click. If it is not present, don't click. So sorry, if present. So now is present. If present. Okay. If present, we need to handle. Okay. If it is not present, you can avoid it. Now we will not see for error message. You can see previous we saw that error message in JNA place, right? Now we will not see that. See here, it got the passing cases because it is avoided. Okay, it is avoided. If it is not presented, then it will avoid it. Okay, there's a safest clicking purpose, and even you can able to use some text message to display. Okay, now I'm going to use for this particular web element. Okay, this is mine. Okay, I'll do for XPath creation anchor tag. So text use this one. Okay, it will find in here. And here I will use for driver.quit. Okay, and I need to get the safest way of value. Okay, message. Okay, and driver dot find elements. You can find element or find elements, anything you can able to use it. Okay, by dot xpath, and I can present this particular value. Okay, once I presented, here I need to use for stream API, and then I need to use the find first. Okay, and then I need to use for dot map. Okay, in this map I'm going to use for web element colon get text. Okay, get text. It will get the text of that. Okay, once it is not presented, else you can throw it as a what you can say a default value. Anything you can able to pass it, and just I passed as the default value. Okay, and now I'm going to printing this particular message. Okay, now I'm running. Okay, this is the one. If it is present, it will give you. If it is not present, it will give you for default value. Now you can see benefit value. Okay, and even you can able to do some optional assertions also. Optional assertion also you can able to do. Okay, how you can able to do for optional assertions. Okay, and the same one I can able to use it here. This one up to here I'll copy optional assertion. Okay, and here I'll mention for one. Okay, and first one only. Okay, Now here I'll change for a small thing like a boolean. Okay, boolean error equal to login1 dot what I can say map. Okay, in this map what I can say web element colon colon display is displayed. Okay, if it is not displayed or else what I can say false. If it is display you can able to say, otherwise you can do for false. Okay, now you can run and see. See, false it is coming because it is one we mentioned, because of it is getting for false. Okay, and even you can able to take the screenshot also. If that particular element, if it is presented, then you can go for inside. If it is not presented, go don't take the screenshot. Okay, for this also we can able to use it. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Okay, again I'm going to write it here, and this time I will change to this one into 1. Okay, and 2 first. Okay, and here you can able to use for login to dot if present, in case if it is present e and this particular one. Okay, inside here you can able to use for screenshot code. Okay, now I'm going to printing that it is taking the screenshot. Okay, screenshot taken. Okay, just I'm giving a message, you can write for screenshot taking. Because it is not presented, that's why it is not given a message. Now here I'll modify into 1. Now this also we can able to see. Okay, see screenshot taken, because it is visible, then that's why it is go for inside, otherwise it will not go inside. Okay, like this we can able to do. Why this particular option it will work in the real time, right? We can able to avoid for try catch blocks. Okay, missing elements and all. Okay, and you can able to use for null checks, and stream API it will give for readable work. Okay, that's all about this particular video. I hope it entire things help for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.